Hi everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: Nokia MBIT 2021 reports nearly 60 times data traffic growth in India in 5 years. Royal Enfield announced the launch of its new Himalayan across India, Europe and the UK. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance launches new saving product ICICI Pru Guaranteed Income for tomorrow. Zan Solar is helping small businesses to go solar. Twins Sukriti and Prakriti collaborates with Sukhi for a special Valentine's song Sona Lagda. Nokia launched the 8th edition of its Mobile Broadband India Traffic Index 2021 on mobile broadband performance in India. The result highlights that the data traffic in India grew approximately 60 times over the last 5 years. In 2020, the data traffic grew by 36% year over year, primarily due to rise in 4G data consumption as 4G subscribers surpassed 700 million with 100 million new additions during the year. Sanjay Malik, Senior Vice President and Head of India Market at Nokia, said 5G has a huge potential for value creation in India as the pace of digitization is accelerating. The phenomenal growth in data consumption in India will drive demand for enhanced broadband and fixed capacity. Next up is Royal Enfield, the global leader in mid-size motorcycles, today announced the launch of new Himalayan across India, Europe and the UK in 3 new distinctive terrain-inspired colorways along with a range of upgrades. The versatile adventure touring motorcycle will now be available in new granite black, mirage silver and pine green, in addition to existing colorways rock red, lake blue and gravel grey. With this launch, the Himalayan now gets the Make It Yours, that is MIY initiative, allowing customers to personalize and accessorize their motorcycle across all channels, the RE app, the website and at dealer shop. Next up is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance has launched a new goal-based savings product, that is ICICI Pru Guaranteed Income for tomorrow, which provides guaranteed income to policy holders to help them achieve their long-term financial goals. The 3 variants of this goal-based savings products are income, early income and single pay lump sum. Commenting on the launch, Mr. Amit Palta, Chief Distribution Officer of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, said, "This versatile long-term savings product offers a multitude of benefits to customers. It not only takes care of the diverse income needs of the customers but also offers them a route to build their wealth." Zan Solar is the fastest growing solar panel and battery backup company in India. Zan Solar provides the off-grid solar system with inverters and batteries which operate with or without solar panels. Solar is the future of electricity and they specialize in solar installation to give the best technology at an affordable price so that everyone can in India use this cheap and effective option for power backup. Zan Solar has all products from solar panels, inverters, batteries and power backup combos to provide to all kinds of customers' needs. Next up is the multi-talented twins Sukriti and Prakriti are back with yet another peppy song after their previous hit song Hum Tum. To celebrate the season of love, VYRL Originals bring to you a Valentine special Sona Lagda, a romantic dance song also featuring the wildly acclaimed Punjabi hitmaker Sukhi, making this Sukriti Prakriti's first massive collaboration in the non-film industry. The song is co-composed and written by the young and talented duo Bharat Saurabh and Sukhi, directed by the popular Sati Dhillon. Sona Lagda has an unbeat reggaeton production style with an ethnic melodic drop. This is it for today. Thank you for watching triple.com.